Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibes. In today's video, we'll show you how to use LastPass to manage your passwords easily and securely. Let's get started. First, let's create a LastPass account. Go to the LastPass website and click on Get Started. Enter your email address and create a strong master password. Remember, this master password is the key to all your other passwords, so make it a good one. Once you sign up, check your email for a verification link and click on it to confirm your account. Next, we need to install LastPass. Click Install LastPass. Click Add to Chrome. After the installation, it will appear in Extensions. Click the extension to log in. Enter the username and the password. Once you're logged in, let's take a quick tour of the LastPass vault. This is where all your passwords and secure notes will be stored. The main sections include passwords, notes, addresses, and more. It's your central hub for managing your digital life. Now, let's add some passwords. You can do this manually by clicking on Add Item, selecting Password, and filling in the details like the website URL, username, and password. Alternatively, you can import passwords from a CSV file or another password manager. Just use the import feature in the LastPass vault. Enter your Facebook username and the password and click Save. One of the best features of LastPass is its ability to autofill passwords. When you visit a website, LastPass will automatically fill in your saved credentials. If you're logging into a new site, LastPass will prompt you to save the login details for future use. To add an extra layer of security, set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Go to your account settings in LastPass and enable 2FA. Follow the instructions to link your LastPass account with an authenticator app. This way, even if someone gets hold of your master password, they'll still need your phone to access your account. And that's it. You've now learned how to use LastPass to manage your passwords safely and efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Vibes for more tech tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.